Hey everyone, welcome back to Dream Car. Views the home of luxury motorhomes and ultimate automotive dreams. Today we're taking you on an exclusive tour of something truly royal, the Kenworth T2000 Royal Palace, a motorhome that defines class, pride, and perfection on wheels. Before we start this luxury ride, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our newest luxury tours. Just look at this beauty from the front. The Kenworth T2000 Royal Palace proudly stands like a king on the road. The massive chrome grille, sharp LED headlights, and golden accents reflect pure power and elegance. The glossy pearl white paint combined with golden trims gives it a royal charm. Every curve, every light, it's designed to make people stop and stare. This is not just a motorhome, it's a moving statement of pride and luxury. Coming to the back, the design is equally stunning. The large panoramic rear glass gives you a glimpse of the golden lit interior lounge, glowing like a five-star suite. Stylish taillights, a polished chrome bumper, and smooth golden lines across the body make the back view look futuristic and elegant. Standing in the spotlight of a luxury showroom, it doesn't just shine, it glows with pride. Step inside and the first thing you see is the magnificent living room. Soft golden ambient lighting fills the space, bouncing off marble floors and rich wooden textures. Plush leather recliners invite you to relax, while a large curved LED TV dominates the wall, perfect for watching movies on the road. Wide panoramic windows flood the room with natural light, in every corner whispers luxury and comfort. This is the kind of living room where elegance meets relaxation, a true proud space inside a moving palace. Now let's move to the kitchen. It features glossy marble countertops, wooden cabinets, and built-in stainless steel appliances. Golden LED lights highlight every curve and texture, giving it a five-star hotel look. There's a fridge, oven, microwave, and even bar stools to enjoy your morning coffee in style. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a royal cooking zone that proudly combines beauty with practicality. Next, we enter the bedroom, the most peaceful part of this palace. A king-size bed with white and golden bedding sits in the center, surrounded by soft lights that create a warm and romantic vibe. Elegant side lamps, wooden wall panels, and a panoramic night view outside make it feel like a suite straight from a luxury resort. There's a mirrored wardrobe and a wall-mounted smart TV for comfort. Every detail in this room reflects elegance, pride, and ultimate relaxation. Finally, let's step into the washroom, where cleanliness meets class. A full glass shower cabin, glowing golden lights, marble walls, and chrome fixtures make it look truly royal. The vanity mirror glows softly, the taps shine like jewelry, and even the floor reflects your luxury. It's like walking into a five-star hotel spa, proudly designed to make every detail feel special. So that was the Kenworth T2000 Royal Palace motorhome. Proud edition, a masterpiece that combines power, luxury, and pride in one incredible design. Every inch of this motorhome proves that it's not just made for travel, it's made to rule the road. If you enjoyed this tour, please like this video, subscribe to Dream Car Views, share it with your friends, and press the bell icon so you don't miss our next royal motorhome review. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep dreaming big and keep watching Dream Car Views.